Here's how you can create a cybersecurity bot that can read logs and find access control issues without hallucinating, using Corvic AI's new data app, Agent Builder. The one I built was able to find times employees changed IP addresses, gave a severity score, and recommended steps of action to prevent it from happening again in the future. To start, click Create Data App and name your data app. Once it is created, drag your data into the sandbox. Here, click the plus on the square and sanitize your data. Then click the Run button. This will then bring all your data into their own boxes. You can see I have 3 files and 3 boxes. Here I'm going to tabular encode all my main key IDs, which is the source IP and employee ID. Next, embed the rest of the data. Once you have your data in, click Run. When all the squares turn pink, that means it's done running. Click the plus sign and click Create Agent. Add all the inputs and that gives the agent all the data we have. Here you can name your agent and choose an LLM model. Once you customize your agent, click Run. When everything loads, double-click on your agent. Here you can fully customize your agent with persona, completion, and workflow prompts. You can also ask it test questions to see if it's working. Here my agent was able to find how many times people have been assigned multiple IP addresses, and clicking the eye shows you how it got to that information. By grounding our workflow from earlier, we know that the agent isn't hallucinating with this information and is actually looking at the data properly. Here my agent finds that unauthorized events have occurred. It finds it happened 4 times with the same IP address. Here it finds the employee number linked to the IP address. Thanks for watching.